Have you ever worn a shirt and wondered, how can tens of thousands of garments in one shipment look exactly the same? Who checks each one? And if just one piece has a defect, how do they find it among thousands? In garment factories, quality control isn't done by just looking at a few samples. It's a structured system that runs alongside production, from raw fabric to final packed cartons. Each product goes through 5 key checkpoints: incoming material inspection, fabric cutting inspection, inline inspection during sewing, end line inspection after sewing, final random inspection before shipment. In many factories, buyers even send their own inspectors before the goods leave. Fabrics are checked for shrinkage, weaving flaws, and color shading. Accessories like zippers, buttons, threads, and labels are also checked for quality and quantity. Here, QC staff check the cutting layout, grain line, stripe direction, and accuracy of size labels. One small mistake here can cause sizing or shape issues across thousands of pieces. This is a crucial step where QC checks products as they're being made by operation groups, body join, sleeve attach, collar set, etc. Factories often apply various inspection methods here: clockwise inspection, zoning inspection, first output approval, 100% inline checking. Catching defects early at the source saves both time and cost later. Once the product is sewn, QC does a full check of measurements, appearance, stitching tension, label placement, and printing or embroidery position. This is the final checkpoint before ironing and packing. Before shipment, QC selects random samples and inspects them using the international standard, AQL, Acceptable Quality Level. Example: for a batch of 10,000 garments, AQL regulates an inspecting count of 80 random pieces. The allowance of defects found these 80s are determined on different levels. Some common AQL levels: AQL 2.5, regular products AQL 1.5, stricter customers AQL 0.65, high-end markets like Japan or Europe. So, for a shipment of 10,000 t-shirts inspected at AQL 2.5 level, if more than 5 defective pieces are found in 80 samples, the whole order fails. Some sensitive items like zipper functions, printed logos, and label accuracy are still inspected 100%. After each inspection, defects are recorded and classified. Minor defect, minor appearance issues. Major defect, impacts functionality or customer experience. Critical defect, unacceptable, e.g. wrong size, missing label, wrong brand. QC teams also log the data into forms or software to develop a corrective action plan. So, a finished shirt is not just the result of sewing techniques, but also of a well-organized, multi-layered quality control system. Mass production doesn't mean careless production. It means doing it right, consistently, piece by piece,